Hello, I'm Maya Matarik from the Computer Science Department at the University of Southern California. I would like to tell you about a new project that I'm co-leading with my colleague Jessie Thomason and with our PhD student Leticia Alba. Our project is developing an accessible screening tool that uses machine learning to provide easy-to-use mobile phone-based screening for Alzheimer's disease and related dementias for families and caregivers. Alzheimer's disease is an irreversible, progressive brain disorder that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills and eventually the ability to perform simple daily tasks. It is the most common cause of dementia in older adults. Approximately 50 million people worldwide are currently diagnosed with Alzheimer's and other types of dementia. And as of 2021, an estimated 6.2 million Americans, 1 in 9 people 65 and older, are living with Alzheimer's disease. The vast majority of people do not obtain early dementia screening, which is needed for a timely diagnosis and treatment of dementia. As a result, there's a very large and rapidly growing need for low-cost, non-invasive, and accessible tools for dementia screening to enable families and caregivers and encourage pursuing medical evaluation for potential patients. So the purpose of our project is to develop just such a screening system that is easy to use for potential patients and their families and caregivers. We will develop a comprehensive app that uses 3 dementia screening tasks: the cookie theft picture, clock drawing, and word fluency. Then we will use that app to collect data from a large number of people, including patients with Alzheimer's disease and also healthy age-matched controls. Then, using the collected data, we will build multimodal machine learning models that will inform the screening tool so that it'll be capable of giving early warning and ongoing assessments of dementia for families and caregivers.
Hi, I'm Jessie Thomason, co-PI on this A2 funded project. Our project proposes to develop an app that makes screening for warning signs of Alzheimer's disease possible at home with existing caregivers. Our prototype application uses existing data from a single ADRD screening test where patients describe a line drawing of a household scene. Once we have that data, we can utilize machine-learned models that process the patient's speech signals and find patterns consistent with a dementia diagnosis, letting them know that it's time to get a true diagnosis from a physician. With funding from A2, we're developing a more comprehensive application that uses more standard screening tests for dementia and enables us to collect both speech and eye gaze information during the giving of those tests. The app will have 2 key capabilities: convenient early flagging of ADRD symptoms based on speech and gaze, and a simple data collection interface to facilitate research and clinical diagnosis for other teams. Collecting these data through our app will allow us to produce both publishable clinical research and an expanded data set for training improved machine learning models for ADRD.
Hi, this is Leticia Pinto Alba, and for our app, we chose 3 main simple and effective tasks that would allow us to gather necessary information from our participants to develop our machine learning models. The first task is the cookie theft picture, where we ask the participant to describe the picture in 2 minutes. Then, for our second task, we have the clock drawing test, where we ask the participant to draw a clock on the device to measure their visual and spatial functions, as we can see in our screen. Finally, our third task, the word fluency test. We start asking the participant to say all the animals they can think of in 1 minute, and the same idea with food. Moreover, we ask the participant to mention all the words that start with letter F and with letter S. This way, our app can save speech and gaze information from the participants. That will be great features for our machine learning models. Thank you.